Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. Today I'm going to show you how to weld together plastic. This piece is off of my 2006 Honda CBR. As you can see, I hit something and it bent it and broke it right here. I put two zip ties in it, you know, to hold it together, but it's still basically broke in half. And I got this tool right here called a plastic welding gun, and technically it comes with all that you see in here. Comes with the gun, pair of snips or dikes, box cutter, and 4 different types of welding wire. Okay, each wire is for something specific. You know, like one is for like flat pieces, one is for like corners, things like that. So we're gonna try out the flat piece first. This thing gets really hot really fast. Okay, let's see, does it have the wattage on here? Volts 110, power 100 watts. As soon as you squeeze this thing, that thing gets hot. And then you have this part that goes on the end of it like this. Put it on the end like that, and that is to smooth out areas. Do it like this, like that. You squeeze it and you smooth out an area. Get the crease out of it or whatever. So let's try it out. Now, all you have to do is take one of these welding wires out, looks like this, and you just take it and see on the inside of here it has holes in here. Just take it and slide it in there just like this. On here, just like that. Basically all you do is take it and squeeze the trigger. Oh yeah, it's hot already. See that? That thing's glowing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually glowing. I'm going to pull the trigger off. Set this right here. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these zip ties out. These off first. Just like that. Now, I'm thinking the hardest part is to get this to mesh together. So you're gonna have to put this together as best as you can and then start heating it up. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see, cracks right here. I'm gonna push this down onto something flat, and then kind of tap to get this part in the right spot. Let me check this out first. I'm going to start from the bottom here first and work my way up. Okay, so let's find me a flat spot just like that. So I'm going to start with this side first, and then we're going to heat heat this bad boy up. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, now once you got that melted in it, you're gonna take and cut these off. Just like that. Okay, and make sure you take the tips out, because it'll be a piece left in there. Just like that. It doesn't tell you how to do them. So basically, you take this little M right here, and then you bend it. You bend it like out so that these sit up straight like that. So now it's like, it's kind of hard to show you. So basically you bend it up like this. Then you straighten it up as much as you can get it. And you put it into the welding gun, just like that. Then you put it in an angle and just burn it into it. Just like that. And you just cut these two. Got everything in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and cut all of these tips off as close as I can get them to the plastic. I'm just covering my hand over top of the pin so the pin doesn't shoot out and shoot onto the floor or on the ground. So I'm just grabbing it like this, pushing it as close as I can get it, and cutting it. I'm gonna dump all this in the trash. Now, that's on there good. That's together. It doesn't fix this other side here. You would have to grind this out, then fill it back in with a plastic filler, and then kind of just sand it down flat. But me personally, I'll be getting a new fairing kit here soon, so that doesn't really bother me. But it is together, so that did work. That is together. And that's how the plastic welder works. So if you have like little pieces on your fairing kit that's like broken, like see how this is like broken from scraping, you could take one of these and push this up real close and weld it back together. I'm gonna fix that too. It works good, you know. You just gotta do some more work on the other side once you finish. I could tell I kind of went through the plastic a little too much. It didn't come out, but you can see the indentation on it. But I'm cool with that. Guys, please take a look in my descriptions. I'll show you where I got the welding gun from, where to get the actual replacement filler wire, I guess. You know, once you use them up, where you can get the refills from, same place. And I'll have all that down in the descriptions. Just take a look through the descriptions, guys. And if this video helped you out in any type of way, feel free to donate, or please become a subscriber. Please like this video. All right, guys, have a good one.